Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Lelit Mara here. So it was having some pressure issues, just over pressurizing every once in a while. So I left the machine on for some hours and was able to reproduce the issue, replace the pressure stat, and it seemed to resolve the issue after leaving it on for some hours. But in addition to that, just to make sure that the machine is working properly, I descaled the boiler and heat exchanger. So I just used citric acid and ran that throughout the machine and rinsed it out. And then the customer said they had an issue with their water tank. So I also changed the sensor for the water tank. And also here's that pressure stat. So this machine didn't come with a portafilter, so I'm just going to test by showing you the hot water, the steam, the brewing. So and then I'll let this come back up to pressure so you can see that it's not over pressurizing. So I'll pause the video now. Okay, it's been about 1 minute and the machine has gone back up to pressure. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.